Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's video how to switch between channels on YouTube. Very easy. I'll show you that method, then you can follow the steps, switch your YouTube channel. Okay, first go to web browser and sign in your YouTube channel. Then I'm going to YouTube channel, I'm going to sign in. Okay, now I'm in my channel. Then you can see that upper corner, that my icon. Then I'm going to click that icon, top right corner. Click on that Q icon. Then scroll down, you can see that switch account. Click that switch account. Okay, now you can see that I have 3 channels. Another one is Priyana Tech, 4 channels. Then I'm going to click that Priyana Tech, this channel. Now you can see that already switch the channel. This is my other channel. Okay, how to switch again that my major channel. Then I'm going to back switch account. Scroll down, you can see my main channel, that investment tech. I'm going to click that channel again. Alright guys, that's the way how to switch between channels on YouTube. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.